Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've got the basics ready: updated iOS and WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp and select the chat where you'll send the Memoji. Tap the message field to bring up the keyboard, then tap the emoji or sticker icon next to it. If you already created a Memoji in Messages, it's available. If not, make one in the Messages app first. Once the sticker panel opens, make sure the Memoji or Animoji tab is visible so you can pick the exact face you want. Now switch to the Memoji or Animoji sticker tab within WhatsApp's sticker panel. You'll see stickers auto-generated from any Memoji you made in Messages. If you need a different look, tap the plus icon to open Messages and create or edit a Memoji. WhatsApp picks up changes automatically. Tap a sticker once to send immediately, or tap and hold to drag it onto a message bubble as a reaction. Make sure to test a few expressions so the tone matches your message. Finish by sending the sticker or long pressing a sent Memoji to add it to favorites for fast use later. If you don't see Memoji stickers, make sure you created the Memoji in Messages and that WhatsApp shows the sticker tab. Sometimes keyboard or sticker access settings block it. Once done, restart WhatsApp or reboot your iPhone. If that fails, check for iOS and WhatsApp updates, keeping both current resolves most synchronization and visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.